The HUANUO TitanLift Monitor Arm is built to handle very large ultra-wide displays, giving even 40-inch class and larger curved panels a solid and confident support on the desk. Its heavy-duty aluminum construction, reinforced joints, and oversized base make the arm feel exceptionally sturdy, with no distracting wobble once everything is dialed in. The wide range of height, tilt, swivel, and rotation adjustments allows you to fine-tune screen position for better posture, whether you are working, gaming, or editing for long stretches. Smooth gas spring movement makes it easy to reposition the monitor with one hand so you can switch between sitting and standing or share your screen without any fuss. Installation is straightforward thanks to the quick-release VESA head, clear labeling, and dual clamp options, so setting up even a bulky ultra-wide display is far less intimidating. Thoughtful touches like integrated cable routing and support for common VESA patterns help keep a clean, uncluttered workspace while accommodating many different monitor models.